Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you are winding down your week with something chill. And if you are joining us from somewhere that's just kicking off the day, welcome to Ledger Life. We have got a sharp lineup this week. We are starting with the comeback of SolutioApp, a crowdfunding platform that's flipping the rules. Then gliding into Rhino Spider's smart way of turning idle internet and computing power into something useful. And finally, the latest financials from ICLighthouse DAO. All stories today right on the back of the Internet Computer Protocol, and you will see why that matters. If you would like to support the channel and help us keep covering these decentralized projects, you can donate to Ledger Life. Wallet details are in the description. Now let's get started. Our first story is all about a platform that's pushing the boundaries of what crowdfunding can be. SolutioApp has re-emerged with a sharper edge, now running on the Internet Computer Protocol. What makes this update so interesting isn't just the technical improvements, it's how it completely reshapes the relationship between creators and backers. This new version of SolutioApp turns traditional crowdfunding on its head. One of its biggest draws is the freedom it gives to backers. In the past, once you made a pledge, it was pretty much locked in. But with SolutioApp, you can withdraw your contribution at any time without needing approval from the creator. Whether your priorities change or you are simply no longer interested, this flexibility ensures that you are never stuck in an agreement you no longer want to be part of. In addition, SolutioApp introduces a performance-based funding system. Projects now only get the funds once they meet the expectations of their backers. This is built directly into the code. If the project fails to deliver as promised, the funds remain in the backer's hands. This innovative approach aims to solve one of the longest standing issues in crowdfunding. Those times when you feel let down by a project that doesn't deliver as promised. And it's not just about funding. SolutioApp invites backers to become co-creators. They can contribute their ideas, feedback, and suggestions to the projects they are supporting. This allows creators to adjust their work in real time based on community input. It's a true participatory model where backers don't just fund but help shape the outcome of the projects they believe in. The decision to build on ICP enhances these features further. Because everything runs on-chain, SolutioApp doesn't need third-party servers or middlemen, cutting down on delays and reducing cost. With ICP's reverse gas model, users won't have to worry about transaction fees unless something works for them. It's an approach that makes crowdfunding more transparent and less prone to frustration. SolutioApp's new vision for crowdfunding also brings with it some risk, mainly the potential for fragmentation. With backers continuously influencing the direction of a project, there is a risk that too many ideas might diverge, making it difficult for a project to stay coherent. But the team behind SolutioApp believes that this messiness is worth embracing. It's a trade-off between control and collective input, and ultimately the goal is to create better projects and a more engaged community. In short, SolutioApp's update offers a new, more fluid way to engage with crowdfunding. By giving backers the freedom to withdraw at any time, introducing performance-based payments, and fostering a co-creation environment, the platform aims to rebuild trust in a space that's often being criticized for over-promising and under-delivering. And while SolutioApp is putting power in users' hands, our second story is about putting your unused bandwidth and computing power to work. Let's talk about Rhino Spider. Rhino Spider is a peer-to-peer network designed to turn idle bandwidth and computing power into valuable assets for dApps and AI training. What's truly unique about Rhino Spider is that it allows everyday individuals to contribute to the decentralized ecosystem with minimal setup. Whether it's unused Wi-Fi or underutilized computational power, Rhino Spider makes it possible for anyone to participate and be rewarded in the process. The platform is built on ICP, which makes decentralization possible by allowing everything, both the front end and back end of the platform, to be hosted on-chain. This means Rhino Spider doesn't rely on centralized cloud services, keeping the network secure and decentralized. The nodes known as Spider nodes are divided into light and full versions to handle both bandwidth and computational contributions. It's a simple, user-friendly model that makes it accessible to people with minimal technical expertise. What makes RhinoSpider stand out is its ability to combine two essential resources, bandwidth and computing power, into one flexible protocol. This allows users to participate in a range of decentralized tasks, from supporting dApps to providing computational resources for AI training. In essence, RhinoSpider is enabling decentralization on a massive scale, with everyday devices powering the network. The beauty of building on ICP is that it ensures efficiency and scalability. The network's ability to aggregate and structure data quickly, combined with the low-cost transaction model of ICP, which means that RhinoSpider can offer decentralized services at a much lower cost than traditional cloud-based platforms. This enables a true decentralized internet where users are not just consumers, but active participants in shaping the ecosystem. RhinoSpider's vision is one where idle resources are turned into valuable assets, allowing everyone to play a role in the decentralized web. Whether you are sharing bandwidth or offering computational power of AI, RhinoSpider ensures that your contributions are rewarded and that the network remains truly decentralized and scalable. As decentralized platforms grow, so does the importance of managing their financial health. That's why our final story today is about the latest financial report from ICLighthouse DAO, which oversees the decentralized exchange ICDEX. Let's take a look at how the DAO is balancing its treasury and liquidity in the first quarter of 2025. The numbers show a clear and strategic approach to managing the liquidity of ICDEX, which is crucial for any decentralized exchange. At the start of the quarter, the DAO held a solid ICP treasury balance of 291,727.81 ICP. By the end of the quarter, that balance had decreased to 241,227.81 ICP, a drop of 50,500 ICP. This reduction wasn't due to mismanagement, but rather a series of proposals that focused on liquidity transfers and powering the SNS dApp cycles. Two large liquidity transfers, each for 25,000 ICP, were approved and executed. In addition, a smaller 500 ICP allocation was made to support the SNS dApp. These changes are a good sign for the health of the decentralized exchange. Rather than being cause for concern, these movements show that the DAO is actively managing its resources and making strategic decisions to maintain liquidity. The decision-making process is transparent, and the DAO's openness in publishing financials means that stakeholders can always see how funds are being used. Alongside these liquidity transfers, the ICL token has seen a mild increase in its balance, showing that the ecosystem is still growing and evolving. This is a positive sign for the future of ICDEX and ICLighthouse DAO. And that's a wrap on today's stories. We have covered some innovative developments in decentralized technology, from SolutioApp's innovative crowdfunding model to RhinoSpider's decentralized resource sharing network and ICLighthouse DAO's transparent financial management. If you enjoyed these stories, don't forget to check out the donation details and project links in the description below. Your support helps keep Ledger Live running, and we truly appreciate each and every one of you. Also, remember to check out the newsletter. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.